The president of the Hills Farmer Union, Commander SHANGPLIANG, had visited the parking lot at MAWLONGHAT in Shillong to decide on the opening of a makeshift wholesale market in the area. Speaking to the media, Commander SHANGPLIANG informed that permission has been sought from the district administration and preparations for setting up of the market are on in full swing with strict compliance to the standard operating procedures issued by the government. SHANGPLIANG also said that he was hopeful that this arrangement would not only be beneficial to farmers but also to consumers in fulfilling the basic requirements of essential food items.
Hiktip hi ka yau ka bakam kongsan hi ka bakinorep ki wandi ka dai ka yudu te sisin bakalakhang ka yudu te kuman si ongno ikijur te haban subret baik te nakleng jungi ka seng nangi yoi ba namar kamdon su ka jakadi ngilaya keren ba ka DC te nakleng ngila kerpat ik DC ba nakleng jung ka DC ro kala ailat bangini ban penniat no hangne yakini ki marep dan rei la ongru yangi bangi dei ban but ya kita ki protokol ladangi penyak makna yakini kayau sya te sya kang bangi haban but perking te na kata kadau mentang singi la drok nang ikni kilan nang ba ni itu hangno ban syong hangno ban lai bat kani ka jakaya ru ngilale knang atar kom ba kanum don ka jing ya huri hura nomlong kum kayau huri hura am tu kan rekin ya baik mencam snem ngila persyang dari hoj teng ka kham hi dalawan kinong di kum tu men stau snem ru ngin persyang hi kat bala ban maintain ya kata ka social distancing te kat bala nang kata kadau ngila nakeling juga municipal ru kilawan ban sanitize ya kene ka jaka hani hakani ka bangin saplong ya yau tengi skam ba ngin la ban penyak keto kat ni ki marem knang ba kinong rep kin light na ka jing du nang